Portmore man said to be political activist gunned down. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 53-year-old man who is said to be a political activist was gunned down on Sunday night in Bayside, Portmore, St. Catherine. He has been identified as Wayne Baldie of Westside Bay, Portmore, St. Catherine. Reports from the police are that at around 8:20 p.m., Baldie was playing dominoes with others when he was pounced upon by gunmen who opened fire, hitting him multiple times. No other person were hurt during the incident. The Bridgeport police are investigating. This falls on the heels of the Jamaica Labour Party JLP politician Mr. Lonnox Hines was gunned down while he traveled along Marcus Garvey Drive in St. Andrew on Thursday afternoon. In that incident, it is reported that Mr. Hines was driving along Marcus Garvey Drive when he was pounced upon by individuals traveling on motorcycles. He was shot multiple times. The hoodlums escaped. Hines was a JLP councillor and caretaker for the Southborough Division in Portmore, St. Catherine. Reports from the police are that Hines was waiting in the traffic under the bridge when several gunshots were heard. Sources report that two men on motorcycles were seen leaving the scene. The incident caused a massive traffic pileup within the area. Police following the incident sent out an advisory informing motorists heading towards Portmore St. Catherine from Hagley Park Road in St. Andrew to divert to Spanish Town Road. The police are theorizing that they believe that this was a contract hit. Hines and other men were previously charged with the murder in the shooting of Orwell Livermore, a resident of Portsmouth in St. Catherine leading up to the 2007 general election. They were, however, acquitted in the Home Circuit Court in 2013.
Well, just after 5 p.m. this afternoon, a male Jamaican traveling home from work, he had in the vehicle his daughter and another female co-worker. When on reaching this intersection, they were attacked by men riding on a motorcycle. The two occupants of the vehicles were shot and injured, one of whom would have succumbed so far. Yeah, we're quite aware of the identity, but at this stage we would not be able to discuss that until the next of kin would have been advised. But from the modus operandi of the men, this seems to be that the individual was deliberately targeted, and this would fit into something looking like a contract hit.
Links 007 TV will track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.